Welcome to our YouTube channel students, e-learning hub by Udgam Welfare Foundation. In this video series we are discussing the case studies on chapter polynomial. It is going to help you whether you are a CBSE or ICSE board student. Also, if you would like to try our online test series on different chapters which is going to enhance your mathematical skills. Also, it is going to help you in scoring more in your 1 marker section. Then these test series are available on our website, which is udgamwelfarefoundation.com, and that is free of cost. I am going to share the link in the description box. So let's move towards our case study number 2 on polynomial. So student, this is our case study number 2. Ankita, high school student preparing for her board exam, is revising quadratic polynomials. Her teacher explains that if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then these zeros have a specific relationship with the coefficients. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of the zeros alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Using these relationship, Ankita is able to form a quadratic polynomial when the zeros are known using the formula fx equal to x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. Using this knowledge, she works on the following problems. Now, on the basis of this case study, we are going to discuss our next 5 MCQ, which is as per the standard of the board exam. Now, let's move towards our first problem related to this particular case study. So student, this is our question number first on this case study. If the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 7x plus 10 are alpha and beta, what is the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta? As we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So in this particular problem here, a is equal to coefficient of x square, which is 1, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to 10. Now alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that means minus of minus 7 upon a, which is 1, which is 7, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. So here c is 10, 10 upon 1 is equal to 10 only. So here we have 7 and 10. So option number A is our correct answer here. Very simple. Now let's move towards question number 2. So student, this is our question number 2, which states find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 and 4 here. So by using formula or by using property, you can say x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of the roots will give us the required polynomial. So here sum of the root is basically sum of these roots. So x square minus sum of the roots are 3 plus 4 into x plus product of the root are 3 into 4, which is x square minus 7x plus 12. So let's match our answer here, x square minus 7x plus 12. So option number A is the correct answer here. So I hope this concept is clear now. We are going to discuss different concepts on polynomials. So these case studies going to revise your concepts on this particular chapter as well. Now let's move toward question number 3. So students, this is our question number 3, which states if the sum and the product of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial is 5 and 6. That means it states that alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and alpha into beta is equal to 6. So what is the polynomial? So as we have discussed in our previous example as well, x square minus sum of the root, which is 5, into x plus product of the root, which is 6. So x square minus 5x plus 6 is our required polynomial. So option number A is our correct answer. Very simple. Now let's move towards question number 4. So for the polynomials 2x square minus 4x plus 3, what is the sum and the products of its 0? So sum, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b upon a. Here b is minus 4. So minus of minus 4 upon a is 2. So this is basically 4 by 2, which is 2. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a, that is 3 upon 2. So it is the product of the roots. So we can check our options here, 2 and 3 by 2, 2 and 3 by 2. So option number B is our correct answer. Very simple. Now let's move towards question number 5. So what is the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of the zeros are both equal to 1? So it states basically alpha plus beta is also 1 and alpha into beta is 1. So which among these polynomial will have the sum is 1, product of the root is also 1. So simply we have to calculate alpha plus beta. In the first case, let us say that is minus b by a. So minus b is basically plus 1 and 1 upon 1, that is 1 only. And here alpha into beta, c by a. So c is 1 and a is also 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So here we have both 1 1, that means sum of the root as well as product of the root is 1. Hence we can say that option number A is our correct answer. So students, that was the last question of this case study. I hope you enjoyed this particular case study and some concepts got clear as well with the help of this particular case study. We are going to meet in our next videos with different chapters and with different case studies, and these case studies are exclusively designed by me. If you like our video, then please share and subscribe our channel so that other students will also get benefited. And by subscribing our channel, you can directly support our NGO, which is Udgam Welfare Foundation. We are going to meet in our next videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.